Hello guys, welcome to week 34 of 52 and hashtag Realtor Life. So I am knee deep in floors, and you guys knew this from last week's video if you watched it. This process has been way more of a process than I ever imagined, and I'm almost glad I didn't know it because it was already an undertaking in my head. I thought I had the whole lay of the land. I mentioned to you guys that I love to do projects, and I thought I had it, all thought out in my head, but in fact, it was way more than I even anticipated. So the tile part, easy. The wood part, which is half of my, is those like the narrow real wood floor. It was glued down like with, I don't know, Gorilla Glue. Hi there. And so he was removing flooring last Thursday, Friday, Saturday. He took Sunday off. He worked Labor Day. He's working today. He just started laying the tile today upstairs. And Herringbone 1, as you guys know, it was looking pretty scary though. I mean, it was awful looking, and now it's starting to come together. But I can tell you that there was he's Polish, and he's very good at what he does, very detail oriented. He quoted the job, and where the wood floors were, we hadn't really talked about baseboards, so I'm not totally sure if I'm paying for more baseboards or if that's included, but whatever. That might be 700 feet of baseboard. But yesterday I got a little surprise cost in there, which I don't think was intended. I think it was just a matter of lost in translation maybe. But we had to go buy the, I don't know what it's called, but the board and the cement stuff that goes underneath, and that was another $400 and something. So nevertheless, it's still going to run us just over $7,000 for the 1,500 square feet. What I'm going to try to do is when I go home today, it's about 5 o'clock on Thursday. I'm going to see the progression and take a picture of today, and then I think I'll be done tomorrow, but if not, I'll wait till it's finished to show you the whole thing. So I'm excited. Hope you're excited too. But anyway, I'll talk to you next week for hashtag Realtor Life, which will be week 35 of 52. And I hope you have a great weekend.